Alright, what's going on, guys? Lude here. I got a special treat for you guys today. About a week ago, I had ordered my NRG quick release and hub and momo steering wheel. So I got that in the mail and got it all installed and stuff. Give you guys a look what it looks like. So here's the NRG quick release. And then here's the NRG hub right here. And that's pretty simple to install. And then I got the momo steering wheel with the NRG quick release. And this is the 11th anniversary edition. So, and then what you do is just put it on like that, lock it, and it's solid. I mean, it's solid. I like it. I got no wobble room or anything, and just off it goes. But yeah, took me about, let's say, half an hour to install. See what else. I also ordered, because I'm going straight JDM, the Domo, because you know what he represents. And I got the JDM sticker, goes across my windshield. So, and I also did my windshield wipers and the vents and these and the ones in the back. So I did those. But yeah, it's solid. I like it. Wasn't too bad about for everything. The hub, the quick release, and the steering wheel, about $230, and that was 2 days shipping. So yeah, I like it. I was gonna do an install on how to do it, but I can always take it off and reinstall it and show you guys how it goes on and whatnot. But I do not have the horn hooked up because I really don't use it anyway. But yeah, pretty good so far. Haven't had any problem with the bolt stripping out. So I've heard a lot of comments about how they strip out and then you have to go and to the hardware store and buy more better ones so they don't strip out. But no, I haven't had a problem. But yeah, I like the steering wheel and the quick release. I mean, goes on, stays on. So yeah, that's the review of the momo steering wheel and the NRG quick release and the hub. So if you guys have any questions, hit me up. Follow me on Instagram at lude at instagram.com or lude at facebook.com. And I always have updates, you name it. But like, share, comment. Always appreciated. And until next time, Lude out.